Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry. And today, I'm back to play some more Peak, and I guess they've added a bunch of stuff to this game, including a chessboard and photo booth. But the thing I'm here for is to check out the limited time event, the BBNO Money concert. So I'm just gonna play on whatever difficulty. Could go all the way to the highest difficulty. I've done that before, but we'll just do it on Ascent 1. And, oh, okay, I guess this is it. So there's a new statue here. I'm guessing if I play that bugle, we will have a free concert in the game. So let's go have a watch. Okay, let me have that. Whoa, okay. That's one way to do it, yeah.
Baby, no money, got money, I'm in paradise. 3 scoop creatine, steam room, equinox. 3 bad thoughts giving me triceratops. 3 short kings in the squad like Eric. I'ma take your chick like a thief in the night. You off, I'm on, it's a circle of life. I'ma top my shit, yeah, I'm crossing the line. Yeah, I'm BBNO, one of a kind. Mr. Zero, bro, made a typo. My girl got a girl, she a nympho. Ain't too good, I think I need lipo. Prop 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm a psycho. Commas in $1 million bucks. That's 2. More than I'm giving in bucks. That's 2. Shotties with a big old bucks. That's 2. Forge you out of sets on a truck. 1 to the kidney, 2 to the dome. That's left, right, go. Got a rollie for the brunch and a panic for the show. That's left, right, go. Got a big new body and a whip it like a pro. That's left, right, go. Got a great main chick and a real bad hoe. That's left, right, go. Outside sunny with a shine, it's sunny with a sweet new honey like ooh la la. Don't want I'm shredding, doing pingers at bunnies. Yo man, I'm sunning cause I'm really that guy. Only on fast, love cheese, went keto. Pat my fur like a pussycat pico. Funko, pop that, put it like Clico. Dust on the table, I ain't talking no Cheeto. Bands on bands on bands on bands. Yeah, I pay millions on my tax. Bands on bands on bands on bands. Bet on me, that's a one-step plan. Doing that dance. Shaking that jetty, yeah, shaking that jam. Taking that advance. So much cash, it'll put you in a trance. That's left, right, go. That's left, right, go. That's left, right, go. That's left, right, go. Still on that one, hey, honey, hit me up for a good time. My buns till it push me out of line. You can't spell my name without the dollar sign. Rainbow money, take whatever, yes, I'm colorblind. This that 1-800, hit my line. Let me 1-800 blow your mind. Wheels in the front, they some big toys. 2025 is the year of the it boy. Got a little money, yeah, got a little Bitcoin. She making me real coy. Never stoop too low, I don't sip dunking. Quite nice top, I ain't talking no muffin. On a first date, say trauma dumping. Blah, 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 like something. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump. Way she working it, she left me comatose. 3 plus 6 is 9, this baby ain't talking about tic-tac-toe. She a little freak, I guess I'm an animal. Yeah. 2 stepping like Cotton Eye Joe.
Baby, no money.
This for me, this for me, this for me, please, don't, this for me, don't, this for me, don't, this for me, please, still on that one, hey. colorblind. This that 1-800 hit my line. Let me 1-800 blow your mind. Yeah, real deadly, do little damage. Got like 20 children that can. If unsexy, snap like sandwich. Hit a double threesome, ride a tandem. Got good DNA, shawty thick, got TNA. I'm making moves, no POA. Ain't busting quick, no ETA. It's either she or maybe her. I cannot pick. I got that roly-poly-oly. It go tick, 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 tick. I'm at the Nino playing blackjack, always hit. If baby's broke, he's only doing it for that bit. This not for me, don't. This not for me, don't. This not for me, please, don't. This not for me, don't. This not for me, don't. This not for me, please. Still on that 1-800, hit me up for a good time. My bunch till it push me out of line. You can't spell my name without the dollar sign. Rainbow money, take whatever. Yes, I'm colorblind. This that 1-800 hit my line. Let me 1-800 blow your mind.
Gucci, Louis, Fenty, Prada.
She up on my
Gucci,
weak crunk off. She said,
Fenty,
girl, I'm so you. Ball swinging low, net playing ping pong. No board, ain't I'm a King Kong. I don't white floss, ain't putting no ring on. She said, my life. Got Jesus on my pieces, call me Reese's, I got pieces. I'm trying to eradicate the negative stigma around antidepressants. I got reasons. Money in a mattress, Cartier glasses. Hungry for an actress, pouring like Katniss. Save me no money, get your new hall passes. Bro, so chapped, and I make them it's sticky like barbecue sauce. Teeth shiny, they calling me Jaws. Got 100K cash in the wall. Yo, Jen, to protect them dolls. She up on my weak crunk off. She said, girl, I'm so you. She up on my weak crunk off. She said, girl, I'm so you. Now I'm flexing up on my ass. I can tell that real praise when she see me up with my upgrade. I'm on Ariana, thank you next. Every time I get up, get my brother, make some cheddar. I'm trying to better my life. Party, throw a party out in Abu Dhabi, that's a regular night. It's sticky like barbecue sauce. Teeth shiny, they calling me Jaws. Got 100K cash in the wall. Yo, Jen, to protect them dolls. She up on my weak crunk off. She said, girl, I'm so you. She up on my weak crunk off. She said, girl, I'm so you.
Wow, that was a lot more than I was expecting. That was kind of cool. Not sure why they added that or how long it's going to be in the game, but if you want to check it out, all you got to do is just load in any difficulty. There's a statue here that will load you into the version of the game when you click on the bugle that plays the song, and it's pretty long, actually. They did a nice job animating that, so good for them. We leave back to the menu, or to the main game. I believe somebody mentioned online that you can get a hairstyle once you've seen the actual... Maybe you don't need to actually, watch the whole thing to get a new hairstyle. There's somewhere in here, maybe under hats. Oh yeah, here it is. So apparently, if you spam click the number 7 times, this little gemstone will appear on the final page of your hats section. And then this gives you the Ironmouse hairdo. So yeah, you can be Ironmouse in the game. You can even make yourself pink if you want. Make sure that you fit the bill, if you so desire. So there you go. So I hope you found this helpful and interesting. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know if any of this content is sticking around for long. Since it is a funky special event, maybe they'll let you keep the hair. Until next time, bye everybody, and have a good one.